Welcome to my 30-day DevOps challenge. Today I am going to talk about how I learned Git Status, log difference and tracking changes. Today I learned how to track changes in Git using some very useful commands. First I learned Git Status, which shows the correct state of my project. It tells me which files are modified, staged, or untracked. Next, I learned Git Log, which helps me to see the history of commits. It allows me to understand what changes we made and when they made. I also learned Git Diff, which compares file versions and some show the exact changes made in the code. This is very helpful before committing updates. These commands are important because they help developer mode to monitor their work, avoid mistakes, and keep track of project progress. As you learn, I learned DevOps. In DevOps world, it is very important to track the code that changes and when changes. As you know, any developer is not only about writing code but also about managing and tracking changes effectively. So I thank you for watching video. I will see you in the next video.